today you guys are going to get the full guide on how you guys can start a content creator business using Temu. Literally all of my content creation stuff is from Temu, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to do a little unboxing for you. If you guys have never heard of Temu, it's a popular retail and wholesale platform. So they do wholesale and retail. I have many videos on my channel showing you guys how to start a business using Temu, but today is going to be about the content creation part of the business. As a business owner, you have to do content creation. So look, I'm going to show you guys the little gadgets that I use and also the digital gadgets that you guys are going to need, like on your phone, whether it's the apps you're going to need for content creation or the physical things you're going to need. So in order to start a content creation business, like say this is the business that you want, because a lot of times people are like, oh, content creation business, what do you mean? I'm creating content. How is this a business? It can be a business if you look at it that way. Like let's take YouTube for example. I do YouTube, and guess what? This is a business. If you make it into a business model, it can be a business model for you. Look at the biggest YouTubers, Ali Abdaal, Sean Cannell, like they really teach on how to build a business around YouTube, because YouTube is more than just that. And so is Instagram, so is TikTok. It's not just content creation, it is a business. So the first step to the content creation business to start is finding your niche, knowing what are you going to tackle, what can you bring of value in a specific niche, what are you good at, what skills do you have. Like for me, my niche is business. This was something that I can bring value to the platform. I had a lot of people asking me, like when I used to go live on TikTok, how do you start a business, how do you do this, how do you find vendors? And you know, I used to just look at it as, why are these people asking me all these questions? But like now I look at it as like, I have value that they don't know, I have knowledge that they don't have. So that's why I was like, oh my gosh, let me monetize this, let me monetize my knowledge and bring it to content creation. And that's exactly what I did. And you guys can do the same thing. I don't care what your little niche is, whatever it is that you feel like you can bring of value, you have it to bring. Next, you have to do market research. You have to know what content creation market you're getting into. If you're going to be on YouTube, if you're going to be on Instagram, if you're going to be on TikTok. But usually when you build a content creation business, you are usually using all of them, because hello, you have to leverage all of your social platforms. You can't just go for one, because one, you're missing millions of people that are on the other ones. Like everybody who uses TikTok is not the same people who use Instagram. Everybody who uses Instagram is not the same people who are on YouTube. So you have to really put yourself everywhere so that you give yourself the best advantages of actually like growing a successful business. But you want to do your market research, figure out who are the giants in your market, who are the big people in your market. That's what I did when I first started. I was like, okay, let me just like look up kind of my niche, what I know I want to do. Let me look up videos similar and see who's first popping up on the YouTube thing, who's popping up on Instagram, whatever, even though like I'm more focusing on YouTube right now. But I figured out who those giants were, who those people that are way bigger than me. I'm talking about millions of followers on YouTube in my niche. That's who I was looking at. Part of doing your market research is getting ideas, getting hook ideas, title ideas, content ideas, and just seeing what works for other people in your niche. And this is how you start off strong, because you're already building up a list of things that are like really going to be beneficial for you later down the line. Next, you guys are going to pick a business name for your content creation business. I have a business name. Look, I already had a business name, Reinventing Glamour, but I was like, I don't want to make a totally different business name for my content creation business. It's just really all going to be Reinventing Glamour, which is totally fine. Why? Because I have a physical product business that is Reinventing Glamour. Content creation is basically just a part of my business. It's just another stream of income within my business. So I kept one business name and I just went with that. But if you're someone who's only doing a content creation business, pick a business name, because you have to realize, like when you're doing content creation, you will end up making more money eventually than a doctor would. You would end up making more money than a lawyer. You would end up making more money than people in the like best industries out there make. So you need to have a business so that when it comes to tax time, it's easy for you. And I really say look at this as a business when you first go in. Do not look at content creation as just like a hobby or a side hustle, because that's all it will ever be. But if you actually treat it like a business and you actually like create a business, make a sales funnel and make digital products, bro, you literally will be rich, okay? After picking a business name, make a logo for your business. A logo is a crucial part in business awareness. Like when people are looking at your brand, your logo is the first thing that they associate with your brand. So you want to make a cute logo, something that's funsy, something that like matches your brand. Like what does your brand stand for? Your logo needs to represent that. Next, like I was just talking about, the sales funnel. You guys will need a sales funnel if you're going to start a content creation business. Having a sales funnel is how you guys are going to add another stream of income onto your content creation business. So look, when it comes to content creation, you have YouTube, you have Instagram, you have TikTok. These are the platforms. The platforms pay you, right? But on top of that, you guys need a sales funnel. For example, your digital products, maybe your online courses, something else that you have. This is another stream of income. Or like affiliate marketing. On your little sales funnel, you can have your affiliate marketing links, even though usually people put that like in the descriptions and things like that. But there's so many streams of income that content creation can bring you. So look, I say leverage them all and make sure you have your sales funnel set up. You guys will see me make my sales funnel in some videos to come, because I am working on making my sales funnel for like my digital products, online courses, and things like that. And lastly, you want to make sure that you have all the right gadgets that you're going to need to make your content creation business seamless, flow easy, and not be a headache for you. Like, you're going to be able to create content really anywhere, in your kitchen, in your bathroom, like if you're doing like get ready with me type of stuff, at the gym. You want to make things easy for yourself. If you're shy, no problem. I literally have the perfect gadgets for you, like to make sure that you're able to film in public, okay? Because y'all, I'm a shy person and I don't like to film in public in front of people. I don't like to hold up a camera and things like that, but I have the fix, okay? And we're gonna go through Temu, because Temu literally has all that you need for your content creation business. Content creator must-haves. Straight up, like I showed you guys, this little neck mount thingy, which I absolutely love, is I don't remember it costing me $18. I remember it costing about $12, $13. So, you know, but this is the one, Telesin. So I don't know, you guys, but this one is absolutely amazing. Let's see what else they have on here. I don't know what this is. Is this supposed to be like a DJ Osmo like knockoff or something? I don't know, but I would never buy something like that, especially like, let me look at the reviews. What even is this? It's a recorder. Okay, let me see. What even is this, dude? I don't know, but I wouldn't get it for content creation. I highly doubt that the quality is good. Like, when it comes to content creation now, you are competing with people who have 4K, 8K cameras. You cannot play around with like knockoff cameras that are not good quality. When you search up content creator must-haves, you get a lot of just like random content creation items, which just can give you an idea. These are great to have, these little lighting thingies, but don't worry, I have more specific search terms for you guys to look up, because I have specific things that you guys need to get. This is cool, this little like fisheye thingy for your phone, like a lens. Okay, this is kind of like the little neck mount, but it's for you to put on your head, which I don't know if I would like that style, honestly. Yeah, the magnetic one's a lot easier. You see, this one, like, you have to actually put it in. I don't know, I just feel like that's pretty unstable. Like, the magnetic one is so strong, like, you know it's stuck like that. This is the little gimbal stabilizer. Yeah, you guys, so what I notice is $52.60. So this is, it looks like it's more expensive on the laptop, because on my phone, this literally, I got my first one for $42. And yeah, this is the one literally that doesn't even have a light. I got the one with the light for cheaper than this for $52. So really, I say go on your phone and try to find it, because the prices are better for some reason. I have no idea why. Or I think I might know why. I think it's because I'm not signed into an account, because when you sign into an account, they like have deals for you. But also, I'm a Temu Circle member. I have no idea what it is, but sign into an account, maybe use your phone, get better prices, because I don't know what's going on with these right now. So you guys are just going to search up gimbal stabilizer, because this is what you need. So there's different types. You don't have to get the one that I got, the Oshuan, which is, this is the one I got right here. Is that a battery inside of there? That's weird. Okay, I meant to say, the ones that I have, they are chargeable, so I'm able to charge mine. Yeah, it looks like it comes with a charger, but it looks like it also has a battery in it, weirdly. I don't know if mine do or not. But anyways, as you guys can see, 4,000 something bought this one. Yeah, so this is a really good one. Amazing reviews on this one. I highly recommend it. Let me see what people are saying. I mean, you guys just saw what I said about mine. Look, literally how they have theirs just like that. Let me move this out of the way, because that literally bothers me so bad. But look at how perfect it is. It literally does face tracking. So if you're worried about, oh my gosh, am I in the camera? Am I in there? You guys, if you go like this, that thing is tracking your face for sure. You do not have to worry about if you're in the camera or not. It makes content creation so easy, super seamless. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. Anyway, so many people did reviews on it, which like I said, it speaks for itself. It's such a good quality product. And if you guys scroll through some more, you get some different brands, and you can I don't know, compare. I think this is cool because this one extends to get taller. The one that I have does not extend, or does it? I've never seen it extend. I don't think it does. Let me see, y'all, because that'd be crazy if it extended and I just didn't know. No, it doesn't extend. So yeah, so like this one gets taller, it extends. The one I have does not, so that's definitely a bummer because I wish it did. Sometimes I wish it could be taller. But you know, it has its pros and it has its cons. The next thing you guys are going to need for content creation is a tripod. You need a tripod. I actually got one of these tripods right here. This is actually from my husband. He has his own tripod that I got from Temu, which is such good quality. It's literally this one right here. He has the blue one, and whoa, look, at the time the blue one was cheaper. No, I want to say it was a free gift. I really want to say it was a free gift. So anyways, he got this as like a free gift. No. I think I paid like 27-ish for it. Anyways, like I said, the prices are more expensive on here. I literally got his for like 27. It was the blue one, and it gets extremely tall. You can use this for a camera or a phone, whichever one you decide to film on. But he uses it for his phone. And like I said, it's very, very good quality. So this is a good one right here. They also have a lot of other ones. As you can see, I have like these little smaller little tripods, which are really good for like just filming like a quick Instagram, TikTok video. You can put it on the table, put it like literally anywhere and film a video quick and easy. And like I said, it's portable. The one he has is also portable, but it's like a little harder to be a portable thing. But I think it comes with like a little baggie. I don't know. I don't remember. I haven't even seen it in a while. Different kind of tripods for different needs. If you're someone who does content where like you're drawing, as you can see, this is a really good example. You get something like this. Like this is called a boom arm. So you get one with like a little boom arm, and then you have it like filming from the top like that. Or if you're doing like cooking videos, but also like these little gadgets, the little magnetic gadgets that I was showing you guys, that is literally perfect for like getting overhead shots and like different weird angles that you might need. Next, I use this every single time I'm filming a YouTube video, and this is my LED ring light. I don't know what kind of like brand this is, but I would just look at the reviews and see what people are saying. Let's see if we have any photos. So she's saying this is with the light, this is without. It looks like it's doing its job, okay? If you don't have a ring light, this is how your quality is going to look. But if you have a ring light, this is how your quality is going to look. Do you see the difference in quality? You have like pixelated looking Android photo, and then you have like a really good high quality photo, and it's really the lighting that does it. Like a lot of people think that I film my YouTube videos with a camera. I literally use my phone. It's all about the lighting at the end of the day. So that's cool, but as you can see, very affordable, $16. But what I'm gonna see is if they have like a more like higher quality one is what I want to look for, because I don't know about that one. Oh, I think this is such a cool one. Like I have been debating getting this myself. I see 1.9K sold. So people look like they're really liking this. Let me see if anybody has the photo of them like using both. But look how cool this is. Look at this. You have two different thingies. It's perfect for getting horizontal and vertical content. Like me, I have two phones. Look at this. This is perfect. I could get my film for YouTube and film for like TikTok or Instagram and like have short form content to post, which is perfect, instead of having to repurpose my horizontal content into vertical content, because it doesn't look as good. Like literally it looks like trash when they try to repurpose it, versus if you actually film vertical, it looks way higher quality because it like tries to zoom it in and it just does not look good. But yeah, they have many different ring lights to choose from. Just like look at reviews and see what you could choose. Next, as a content creator, you're going to need studio lighting, okay? Even as a business owner, if you're a business owner, you're basically a content creator. Like you're an unintentional content creator, because I did not plan on being a content creator. I just was a business owner. And then I realized I have to be a content creator if I want to actually have a successful business, because like the online world is literally so powerful, and that's how you're actually going to find your success. So when it comes to studio lighting, you are going to need, this was the little like small tiny portable light I was showing you guys. This is cool. This one might be better quality because like I said, this was a free one. I don't know. Even though they kind of look the same, they look about the same. This one's good. Look y'all, it does the job. So then you have like these little studio lighting thingies, the little sticks. I've never personally used the sticks, but I like these. These are my favorite type. I actually just bought this pack right here. I didn't show you guys in my little consecration haul, which I don't know if I'm going to put that before or after this segment. So I don't know. If you haven't watched it yet, then I didn't show this in there, but I do have these. I'm actually using one of them right now, but I have literally a 3-pack and they are amazing, you guys. Literally amazing for $22. Oh, $29. So like $30, I got a 3-pack, which was perfect. And then of course you're gonna need a phone neck mount, a magnetic one specifically. So Many different options. I showed you guys this one right here. This is the one that I have, and I don't know, like I said, I don't know why it costs $17 because it's really like 13 or 12 if you look on your phone, sign into your account. But there's many different ones of this. And for all the magnetic things you guys are going to have, you're going to need a magnetic phone case. This is the phone case that I have right here. I literally am using this one right now on one of my phones, and I want to order probably, where's the blue? Like this light blue, because I have a light blue phone, so I want to order this one for the blue phone. And you guys see it comes with the little camera covers, but this is literally magnetic, works perfectly with all of these little gadgets that I'm showing you right now. Ooh, what's this? This one looks cool, but it's for Samsung. But yeah, anyways, they have so many little magnetic phone cases to choose from, and they're all really good quality. Like I'm very big on having quality cases because phones are expensive. They're literally $1,000 gadgets, so we need actual good cases. Then you're gonna need a magnetic suction phone holder. So I actually have this one. This is the one that helps me in the car, like when I'm trying to film, like, I don't know if you like want to talk, like do a quick video for my other channel. I do like car talks and things like that. So this one's really good for holding my phone for that. And it's not automatic, like an automatic suction. So you have to push it, but I find it to be good. I don't know. I like it. It's not the best though, honestly. It's not as strong as the magnetic one, but it does the job. So let's see. This one is a vacuum one. The vacuum ones are literally so good. Very good quality. I think I like this one, 360 rotatable. I might need to get this one myself because I don't have one like this, but I really like it. Yeah, I need to get me like a 360 one to make it like easier for myself to do it. But this one's also really good. Do I have one that extends like this? Like what? Yeah, so they have all kinds of different ones. You see, this is what I was showing in my unboxing, something similar to this, where like literally so versatile and can really clip onto anything. You can use it on your cart, your stroller. This one is really good for at the gym. I see a lot of people on TikTok, they be showing this thing and they're like, oh, this is how I'm able to film at the gym without being shy, da da da. You don't have to whip out a whole tripod, you just use this. Literally, when you have these suction magnetic mount type of things, you can literally pretty much stick it onto anything, which is very convenient for content creation. These, I would not really recommend. What are these magnetic silicone? I wouldn't really recommend these type. Wait, hold on, I'm confused. I'm so confused. No, I wouldn't use this because you can't really use your back camera. You want to use your back camera. This is good if you want to use your front camera, but I would not do that. Like, no. This is one that I actually have and I really, really like it. So highly recommend this little phone suction mount. Super good. And just scroll through. So if you search up this, you get a lot of good options. These are my favorite, like when it comes to content creation. Perfect. Next, when it comes to content creation, you're going to need a microphone because, girl, if your video quality does not sound good, people are not going to watch it. It can look amazing. You can be giving the most value, but if your microphone is not giving, then people are going to click off because we can't even hear what you're saying. So a lot of these microphones are not that great, and I will say that, but there are some pretty good ones. Let me see. Like this one's pretty good because I've had some of these before, but this one's pretty good right here. The little kit, it comes with 2 microphones, but this is kind of like what I'm using right now. You guys see this microphone? This is amazing. I actually got this from TikTok, so I can't really speak on it on Temu, but I wonder if they have it. It's a Moano, or I'm saying Moana, Meano microphone. Yeah, Meano. I don't know like how it's pronounced. I don't even know if they have it, but let's see. I don't see it, but kind of like this. You guys see like it's RGB, it lights up and stuff like this. This is like a little desk one, but this one has like a boom arm, so it's convenient for me to actually use it in my videos. I can like adjust it, I can pull it out more, I can push it all the way back if I don't want it. Super versatile. This one actually looks just like the microphone that I have. It's just a different brand, but it looks just like this. If you want to get a microphone like this from Temu, you can go for this. Or you guys, if you want the actual link to the one that I have, I will put it. They also have it on Amazon, which you can get it like really, really fast because this did take some days, quite a while to come from TikTok. So aside from this microphone, you guys want to make sure that you have a portable microphone, one that you can take anywhere for your content creation, because that's what content creation is. Like I said, you want to have all the right gadgets so that you make sure that you're able to record anywhere and not have anything holding you back from making your content. Really, even these could work perfectly fine. You can get your little 1 mic, 2 mics, whatever. These are good. And these little puffy things help keep it from being like too staticky and too loud. So guys, I'm going to do a quick little Temu unboxing because I did have a package just come and I was like, oh my gosh, that's literally perfect for my video because I'm about to film this video anyways. But this is a content creation gadget that I got. You guys, this is literally one of my favorite things that I have ever ordered, okay? Like, let me just move this mic away. I hope I'm not like too loud or anything, but this is, look at it, guys. Just look. So what this is a phone stabilizer. I want to show you guys like also how it works and things like that. Hold on. Let me like, oh. So look, I already have one, okay, that I got from Temu, but I was like, let me order a different one because I just love it so much. But also like I had got the one that didn't have the light at first, but I was like, oh my gosh, let me open up the new one that has the light because I need it. But anyways, I need two of these because sometimes I like to film short form content as well as like long form content because YouTube is like my main platform. So yeah, but also I'm trying to like grow my Instagram and TikTok. So you see my dilemma here. Like I need to film for both and sometimes it's hard to like repurpose content. But anyways, I'm over here rambling a lot. So let me get into it. But anyways, let me just do a little haul of the things that I already have before I do like the little unboxing. So like I said, this is the little gimbal stabilizer. It is literally amazing. Like no matter how much you move this thing, it's going to stay stable, okay? Like it's literally perfect. And you have an on and off button. You can even adjust it. Like you guys, this is amazing because it does face tracking and you literally can use your hand. You go like this. Now it's tracking your face. You go like this again. Now it's not tracking your face. You go like this. The camera starts. You go like this, the camera stops. Like it's literally such a smart device. Oh my gosh. And the one part I love about it the most, it will switch easily from horizontal to vertical view so easily, like with the click. Literally, I don't know the hand gesture, I forgot, but it's a hand gesture that I think it's like this. Yeah. So if you go like this, it's going to just switch vertically and it's amazing. Like I wish I can insert a video for you guys to see how it actually works because it's so cool, but I hope that I can demonstrate it for you guys. Maybe like, I don't know, maybe I'll be able to. I have no idea. Next, this is another little device that I have. I got from Temu, content creation. It's like one of those that's like really amazing. It's portable and it's very convenient for you know, its use. And it also comes with a little remote. I really don't know where the remote is. I had it over there, but you guys, I honestly have no idea where that thing even is, but it has, I want to say this is face tracking as well. I really have no, oh, you guys, I don't know where the remote is. So like the remote thing slides into here, so you can like take it off. And no, I don't think this one's not face tracking, but you can take the little remote thingy out, but I'm going to keep it in there because I don't want to get it lost. So, and you can like, you know, press for the camera and stuff like that. But anyways, this was a free gift from Temu. So, but you see how portable it is? Look at how like small, you can fit it in your purse. I always keep this in my purse. And so is this one. This is also very portable. So I literally keep these in my ginormous purse that I have. So I literally use this like huge purse right here, which I bought when I was in college before I even started my business. So I literally had this before I started my business. So I'm like, I'm not going to throw my stuff away. Ooh, here's another little fun gadget that I got from Temu, you guys. Look. This was also a free gift. Look at it. Such a good, like, selfie camera light. Like, literally, and you can adjust it. See, like, watch. You guys will see, like, hold up. So it has like 3 little brightness settings. You guys will see like it makes it brighter. Like I don't know how it looks to you, but I know that I've used it for some vertical content and it came out pretty good. So yeah, this is a cool little gadget. You can like clip this on your phone. It's really cool like as a portable lighting if you need it. So like hang on your phone, you know, so you have some good lighting. Okay guys, so next I have this little like Reinventing Glamour pouch thingy, and this pouch right here, it's a pouch that I sell in my business, but I was like, I need this because I wanted like a clear pouch so I can see my little gadgets inside of it, but also like I'm not about to buy a pouch when I have so many of the pouches here. So this is one of the little gadgets, you guys. So this is like a vacuum suction kind of situation. I wish I could show you how it works. I can show you how it works. I don't know if it'll work on this, but let's just see. So look. You hear that? So it's like a little vacuum suction, okay? And then what you do is, see, I make sure both of my phones have magnetic cases on it so that I'm always able to literally clip this anywhere and everywhere. You guys see that? Even though this is not really gonna stay because like, I mean, it's staying good, but look, I'm like scared it's gonna fall. But anyways, this is like basically how it works. You can kind of see, and I'm just gonna take this off now because like I'm scared this is gonna fall. But yeah, get a magnetic case. I got one from Temu for literally like $4. The case that I have on the phone that I'm filming on, so I can't really show you. But and anyways, you press this button to get it off. It works on most surfaces. I'm just scared because I'm like, this box is so like flimsy and stuff. I didn't really want to try it on this, but it worked. So Cool. This is a gadget that I actually just got, and I'm so glad that I have it. Like, I'm gonna just kind of demonstrate it to you guys. So you guys see, you're probably like, what the heck is this? This looks so ugly. Yeah, well, it's a content creator's best friend, especially if you're a content creator that's gonna be doing like unboxings and stuff like that. I can't really fit it over my head like that, so let me see. I forgot like how in the world do you even do this, dude? Okay, so you press this little button here. Boom, now it's open. Boom, now you're just gonna grab this and you're gonna go like that. So this is the magnet piece. Remember I told you I always make sure that I have a magnet phone case on both of my phones so I can film with anyone whenever I want to do it. So boom, you're gonna slide this thing in here and slide this like that. Okay, this is literally how it is. You guys can kind of see, like, you see how it's like holding my phone up like this. So say I am doing an unboxing. You know what, let me actually get some footage so I can show you guys how it actually comes out when you do this. This is actually perfect. So you guys can watch me unbox it here because I am about to unbox my little gimbal stabilizer thingy. So I will also let you guys see the POV from this phone here. It makes it so convenient, like if you're doing like unboxings and stuff, no matter if you want to do it vertically or the other way, you could do it either way. Look, so boom, this is it, you guys. I absolutely love it. Like, it's literally my fave. Look at this. And this one comes with a light, which is why I'm so happy, because my other one did not come with a light, you guys. It literally did not. So this one looks I was gonna say this one looks a little bit different from the other one, but look. So this is how it looks. I didn't even wipe the camera, so I hope it's like clear enough. It looks clear, but this is a piece. You're supposed to like put this on like this, and I'm so glad that I'm actually filming on this phone because you guys actually get a better like close-up. So both of them actually have this little metal piece. So if I need to get like buy one of these lights for my other one, but I'm trying to figure out how to get it just on the white. Okay, hold on. Oh, so I pressed the on button to get it to change the little modes. So I do want to demonstrate to you guys how this actually works. So I put my phone on there. You're supposed to make sure that you put it like in the middle. And do you guys see that? So I just cut it on and now it's showing up like this. This thing is literally so affordable. You guys, I am teaching you that you do not need to buy a camera. Do you see where my YouTube channel is? Just less than a year ago, I was like at 2,000 subscribers. And I grew this much using my phone, literally using a 13 Pro Max, not even the newest iPhone out, okay? So when you look at this, you have so many little features on here. Look at this. You have this little thingy here. Then you have the little side buttons. I'm trying to make sure you guys can like see me. That's why I'm looking to the side, because like, oh, I didn't even tell you about this content creation gadget. Oh my goodness, you guys, this one is literally, do you guys see this? Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely amazing. And this is like just like a little face screen monitor, selfie screen monitor, and this is how you get the best quality content. You use your back camera, you don't use your front camera. The back camera is literally the best, okay? So anyways, like look at this. And you guys, like this little button right here, if you guys like move it, you see how the phone moves? Look at that. I'm controlling it with the button, and when you do that, it's stabilizing it to stay exactly how you chose to put it. So just look at this. I am literally just like rotating it with the button, just like that. Very convenient. I want it like this. Yeah, this is extremely stable. Now watch this. Anywhere, if I go like this, it's literally staying stable. Just like that. Like it's literally amazing. You guys need like a full-on detailed description of how this actually works because it's literally so bomb. It also has an app that connects to it, so you can do like, you know, the face tracking type of stuff. Okay, you guys, so I just took some thumbnail photos. Now let me move my mic right back to where it was. I hope it's like, I gotta figure out if I even have my mic on the right setting. I don't know, you guys. But anyways, you can also get something like this. This is a part of content creation. You can also get this from Temu. So this can be a part of my little haul that I'm showing you guys right now. And let me continue because I'm literally like wasting so much time. Oh my gosh. So let me go ahead and just cut this thing off. When you cut it off, it just goes back to like regular position. I don't know what it's doing, honestly. But let me take this off now and put it back in the case. See, the case that I'm using right now to film, this case is perfect. It can fit in this with the case still on, which I love because I don't like taking my phone out the case, but this case right here is a little bit too chunky, so that's why I have to take it out, which this case did not come from Temu, but the one that I'm using does. So I'm trying to get another Temu case because y'all, their cases are good quality, magnetic, and cuter than this, honestly. And it comes with camera covers, so look. When I see a deal, I know one, okay? So far for the haul, you guys have just seen my two little gadgets right here that I showed you. So this is what you guys have seen so far for the haul, for a little content creation haul. Next up in my little clear baggie, we have this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love this one. Now this one actually came from TikTok Shop, but they do have it on Temu as well. See, TikTok Shop made me buy it because they had like so many videos and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Look at this. So I'm gonna demonstrate how it works. So you can pretty much like hook this onto anything, and like I said, it's magnetic. Get that magnetic case because you're gonna need it as a content creator if you want to have the easy ways. And this little $15 gadget right here, even though I saw it on Temu for like 12, but TikTok Shop had it for like 15, you will be able to film in public with this little gadget right here, okay? I don't even know what the heck it's called, like it doesn't have a name, but it says listen inside, Listen. That's what it says inside, so you guys can look this up, TikTok Shop, wherever. I'm just letting you know that you need this as a content creator because literally if you're shy, I literally was filming inside a Kroger with this. I can film inside a Walmart. I don't care where I am. Nobody would even notice. You hook it onto the little cart, even if you're a mom and you have a stroller, you're pushing your baby, hook this thing onto the stroller, hook your phone on, use the back camera. We basically put your phone like this. You see how easy that clips on? Look how cute this is, dude. What? But anyways, you would basically just clip this onto a stroller or a cart like in the grocery store to get some content, and you can literally film yourself while, let me see if you can do vertical because I haven't even tried. You hear that? Look at that rotated. Hold up. Let me try to like show you. Yes, so it's also possible to do vertical, but you guys can get content while you're inside a Target, like if you're, I don't know, want to show yourself getting clothes or whatever, reaching into the fridge, have like a cool style vlog, you can do it with this little gadget, okay? Up next is another little cool gadget that will help you with your content creation right here. This is one that I absolutely love. It's one of my favorites, okay? Is this the one that helped me in the car? Like where you can film while you're driving. Anyways, it's another one of those vacuum ones that I was showing you, so listen to the sound. Hold up. So you hear that sound, and it does the same thing. You press the button to release it, and of course, hold up, it's magnetic. The only thing I don't like about it is because it's not magnetic on both sides, so it's a lot harder for me to film with the back camera on this one since it's not magnetic. But as you can see, look at this. Super easy to rotate. Absolutely love it, and yeah, super versatile, so definitely a must-have for content creation. I got all of these from Temu. Some of these were even free from Temu that I got. I forgot to show you this little other content creation gadget that I got from Temu. I've never actually opened it up, so I don't even know how it looks like or anything, but supposedly it's a little like portable selfie stick. You guys, oh, this is just like the one that I already have, which is actually perfect. Okay, so it's just like this one that I was showing you guys, which is cool because like, so as you can see, they're very similar. Hold on, let me like pull these out. So as you can see, they're the exact same, except this one has a little light on it, which I think is pretty cool. Maybe it can go brighter. Let's see. So 3. So yeah, it has a little light, which is actually very convenient. Like if you're holding it like this, it can help get you like better lighting. So this one has no light and this one does have a light, but they were both free from Temu. I did not pay for either of these, which is like amazing. So yeah, sometimes they'll do like a daily free gift thingy. I've talked about this in many of my Temu videos where if you do like a $25 purchase, sometimes they'll be like, oh, $30 purchase, and you get to pick some free gifts. You guys, my last thing, they were like, oh, make a $70 purchase, which I needed to get something anyway. So I made the purchase and they let me pick 8 free gifts. 8 free gifts, you guys. Isn't that crazy? And I make sure I put an alarm on my phone every single day so that I can make sure that I get my free gift, because if you miss a day, you just messed out. You miss out on all of your gifts. So